cap peeled back. I hear him talking like he's been there and done that, but was the first to run once he heard that gun go clap. I'm telling you, homie, you need to chill, cause motherfuckers in these streets are really real. That's why I stay out the way and do my thing in this game. I stack my chips up, never switch up, I stay in my lane. I ain't the one to be glorifying this street shit, but motherfuckers be lying, they quick to speak. Snitch. Nowadays everybody got a gun for protection. Whatever happened to chunking them when you felt disrespected? I never ranked it in my life, I've been a rider for mine. Fuck you internet thugs that rather diss me and type. I've been focused on my money more than trying to prove something. I got many death threats, but yet they still don't do nothing. So tell me who's bluffing with the cards that were dealt. Watch these suckers fall quick and start to yell out for help. My team solid to the death.